Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical fishing landing net, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Fishing Landing Net, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing landing net from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. RESTCLOUD Fishing Landing Net with Telescoping Pole Handle. Elevate your fishing game with the RESTCLOUD Fishing Landing Net featuring a telescoping pole handle. Designed for both novice and experienced anglers, this versatile net is crafted with a sturdy aluminum handle and soft mesh netting, ensuring durability and safety for your catch. With an impressive extension from 18-inch to 36-inch, the total length reaches 50-inch, providing the extra reach needed to land fish effortlessly, whether in fresh or saltwater. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the gentle mesh material ensures that your fish won't get damaged during catch and release. Plus, the foldable and retractable feature allows for easy storage in your tackle box or rod locker. Setting up is a breeze with a simple flip of the handle to lock the net in place. Upgrade your fishing gear today and make every fishing trip a success with this essential tool. Number 2. YVLEEN Folding Fishing Net Foldable Fish Landing Net. Introducing the YVLEEN Folding Fishing Net, the ultimate tool for any angler. This foldable fish landing net features a durable nylon net and a corrosion-resistant aluminum pole handle, ensuring long-lasting performance without bending or cracking. With a maximum extended length of 39.3 inches and a 16-inch hoop size, this net is perfect for safely capturing fish of all sizes. Designed with fish-friendly features, the waterproof and non-absorbent coating protects fish scales, making catch and release easier and safer. Weighing in at just a fraction of traditional nets, it's ultralight and easy to carry, complete with a convenient belt clip for secure storage. Whether you're fishing in the sea, rivers, lakes, or from a boat, this net is versatile and reliable. It makes an excellent gift for fathers, sons, husbands, and any fishing enthusiast. Get ready for your next adventure with the YVLEEN Folding Fishing Net. Number 3. PLUSINNO Fishing Landing Net with Telescopic Pole Handle. Introducing the PLUSINNO Fishing Landing Net with Telescopic Pole Handle, the perfect companion for any fishing enthusiast. This innovative second-generation floating net features 2 buoyant float tubes on its triangular design, ensuring it stays afloat and is easy to retrieve, whether you're fishing from a kayak, boat, or shore. With a hoop size of 15.5 inches and a depth of 14.5 inches, this net offers ample space for landing your catch. The telescopic handle extends from 28.34 to 34.45 inches, making it lightweight at just 14.11 ounces, and easy to transport and store. Crafted from rubber-coated snagless nylon mesh, this net is gentle on fish, helping to protect their skin and avoid snagging hooks during the catch and release process. PLUSINNO is committed to providing high-quality fishing gear, making this net an excellent gift for fathers and anglers alike. Get ready for a successful fishing trip. Number 4. Fiblink Folding Aluminum Fishing Landing Net. Discover the Fiblink Folding Aluminum Fishing Landing Net, the ultimate tool for all fishing enthusiasts. This versatile 3-section foldable net extends up to 118 inches, with a handle length adjustable from 40 to 100 inches and a net depth of 17 inches, providing the perfect reach for landing your catch. When collapsed, it shrinks to just 40 inches, making it easy to transport. Crafted from corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum, this net is built to last and withstand tough fishing conditions. The skid-resistant P hand grip ensures a secure hold, even when wet. Its durable nylon mesh features a non-hydrophilic coating, allowing it to penetrate water quickly without waterlogging. With a special fish entrance design, this net protects fish during capture and release. Ideal for both saltwater and freshwater, it's perfect for stream, sea, river, or lake fishing. Whether you're catching fish or scooping up algae, this net is a must-have for every angler. Number 5. KastKing Fishing Landing Net with Telescopic Pole Handle. Introducing the KastKing Fishing Landing Net with Telescopic Pole Handle, your ultimate fishing companion. This large, foldable net is crafted from high-quality 6063 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength and durability without the risk of bending or cracking. Its innovative U-shaped net hoop design features a push-down switch for quick and easy storage, while the retractable handle extends up to 75 inches for a longer reach, making landing your catch effortless. The bright orange TPR handle not only offers excellent visibility in low light but also ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. Choose between a nylon-covered PVC or clear silicone net for snag-free performance and a fish-friendly experience. Designed for catch and release, the soft silicone minimizes harm to fish while preventing spooking. Plus, it comes with a convenient storage bag for easy transport. Whether you're fishing in lakes, rivers, or the ocean, the KastKing landing net has you covered. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.